Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are revamping an old wig into this amazing new wig. I'm starting off with this ombre wig. As you can see, it's shiny. I had previously cleaned it with my conditioner. The ends are brittle. As you can see, it's quite old. I have my detangling comb to detangle the wig and the flexi rods to make the curls. So guys, just stay tuned and see. Ensure that you properly detangle the hair, making sure that the hair is smooth so that the curls will be tight and cute. Then I'll be placing my flexi rod on top of the hair. Then I'll be rolling my hair upwards. I love it when the curls are rolled upwards, so it's your preference, you can do it downwards. Then ensure that the flexi rod is well secured. Ensure that the hair is properly detangled, just like the beginning of the video I insisted that. Then I place my flexi rod on top of the hair. Oh damn, yeah, and I roll my hair upwards. I don't make the hair too tight, but it's just relatively well. Gosh, look at what happens when you are just filming or doing your own hair. Yeah, so you never give up. You have to keep on doing it until you get exactly what you're looking for. And voila, we've made it, we've done it. So I've basically finished putting all flexi rods on this synthetic hair. Yeah, and now it's on to the next step. Then I'll get hot water and mix hair conditioner in it. Then I'll pour in the water mixture and allow it to sit for about 5 minutes before I air dry the hair. I air dried the hair for about one whole day. Yeah, so after that I'll remove the flexi rods and just see how amazing these curls look. After removing the flexi rods, look at how amazing these curls look. Next, I'm going to be fitting my wig. Then carefully I'll loosen my curls using my fingers. Just be careful not to loosen the curls too much if you want to have the tight curls. On a second thought, I thought, why not use a comb? But guys, that's a bad idea. You lose all your curls. Look at how amazing this scalp looks. Can't even believe it was as old as the hair was. Now I'm going to pick some pins and try to style this new hair. I'll just gather the hair from this side and pull it to the other side, then secure the rest of the hair with the pins. I like this style. It looks chic, it looks simple, it looks nice. So yeah, I think I've achieved one style. For style number 2, I'm going to take a few pieces of hair from each side and pin them down like a half up, half down situation going on. Wow, and this is style number 2. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, you enjoyed these 2 styles that I tried to come up with. If you did enjoy this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, share with your family, share with basically everyone, and hoping to see you next time. Bye.